Hello, little space explorers. Welcome to an out-of-space world adventure where we'll be discovering the amazing planets in our solar system. Get ready to blast off and learn all about the planets that orbit around our sun. Hello, kid. It's me, Pluto. Today, I'm going to show you all the planets.
Hello, Pluto. Are you a planet?
That's quite a story. Let's first visit the solar system, shall we? Meet Mercury, the smallest planet. Mercury takes 88 Earth days to have a year.
I have a question to raise. Shouldn't years take longer than days?
Well, that's not always the case. Planets move in two ways. First, on its own axis, like a dancer on a pirouette around the sun on a path called the orbit. I turn slowly on my axis, so my days are longer. Next is Venus, named for the Roman goddess of love, while all other planets spin its axis counterclockwise. This makes the planet upside down. Planet number 3 is our very own. 70 of its surface is water. Mars, the fourth planet, also fondly called red. It has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are not just neighbors by the nearest star, but also compact balls of rocks and metals. They are planets called rocky or terrestrial.
Where are we off to next, Pluto? To the bigger planets we go.
The one with rings and another with a big spot? That's correct, my little astronaut. Watch out for the rocky objects floating. They're ancient debris when planets are forming. We're in the asteroid belt, you see. Meet Jupiter, hydrogen and helium make its atmosphere. A day is just 10 hours here, but my year is 11.8 in Earth years. My neighbor and I to the naked eye are both visible from Earth's sky. I have 4 sets of rings that are wispy. For my pal Saturn, guess how many? I have 7 wider rings all bright and icy. First seen by Galileo Galilei. Prettiest of all planets, that's me. 82 moons keep me company. Nice to meet you both. Hey, is it getting very cold? Yes, because we're now near the coldest planet out here.
My name is Uranus, and I'm blue, green, caused by sunlight and methane. Like my neighbors, I have rings, dark ones, and bright ones. A total of 13.
Uranus, are you okay? Why are you moving sideways?
I move almost 90 degrees on my side. This is how I rotate, and I'm all right.
So far. Are we approaching another star? I'm afraid not, my friend. But hey, here's our final planet. Here is Neptune, and it has 14 moons.
I'm a bit rocky and mostly blue and icy. My 6 rings are very hard to see. That's because I'm the farthest planet. I'm away from the sun by 30 astronomical units. Say, Blue, aren't you farther away? 39 astronomical units, they say.
Kids, thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting space adventures and educational fun.
Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.